Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make you understand on the topic of arithmetic progression. So guys, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is series of numbers that differ by a constant term. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Other example is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. In the first series, if I take the difference of first two numbers, that is 3 minus 1, and the outcome is 2. Similarly, if I take another two numbers, that is 5 minus 3, the difference is all again 2. If I take the next numbers, that is 7 minus 5, which also give me 2. In the first series, all the numbers are differ by 2. So, this is arithmetic progression. Similarly, in the next series, if I take difference of first two numbers, that gives me 5. For the next two numbers, difference is also 5 and similarly so on. As the difference is constant, that is 5. So, this is also arithmetic progression. Short form of arithmetic progression is AP. AP is also called arithmetic series. In arithmetic series, there are specific notations like A, D, A2, A3 and AN. In this series, the first number, if I take the first series 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, the first number, that is 1. This is called A, and this is not denoted as A. The common difference that is constant in whole series, that is 2. 2 is denoted as D. The next second number, that is 3, is denoted as A2. In this, A is 1, A2 is A plus D, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. See, A2 is 3. Similarly, A3 is third number, that is 5. It comes A plus D, that is A2, and adding D again, A2 plus D, that gives 1 plus 2 plus 2, 3, A2, 3 and D. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. See, A3 is 5. A3 is 5. Similarly, I get A4 for fourth number of the AP series. A plus D plus D plus D, that is A 3 plus D. A3 is 5 and D is 2, which is 7. See, fourth term of the AP series is 7. The result, I got A is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 5 and A4 is equal to 7. Here A2 I can write it as A plus 2 minus 1 D. That become A plus D. Similarly, A3 is A plus 3 minus 1 D. That gives me A plus 2 D. See, A plus D, that also becomes A plus D 2D, A plus 2D. Here A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1D. That becomes A plus 3D. Here A plus D plus D plus D. This also becomes A plus 3 times D. From these equalities, the result comes that An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. This result is used to find the nth term. Want to find the 21st term, take n is equal to 21. We have A is equal to 1, common difference, that is D is equal to 2. So A21 is A plus 21 minus 1 D. A is 1, 21 minus 1 is 20 and D is 2. Here I found 21st term is 41. You will understand this introduction. Now in the next video we will start the exercise questions. If you understand this, please like, share and comment.